Hello everybody and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making smothered pork chops over noodles. And I'll be using mushrooms, you can use any type you like. Slice some white onions, sweet onions. I have sliced some garlic. I have washed and cleaned my pork chops about so thick. I have some brown gravy, some egg noodles, any kind you like. And I'm going to have some spinach on the side. Okay, I have my oil over here heating. And over here, I'm going to season both sides of my pork chops. Just going to lay these on the cutting board. And I'm just using salt and pepper. That's it. Went on a couple of trips while I was gone. And to meet some more family members in Vegas. And I was really excited, and I'm still excited. So happy to have met those that I didn't know. And I'll make sure that they'll never get away again. They might get tired of me. Love you, Simmons family. Kisses and hugs. Okay, so I have my flour here. And of course I'm going to dust them in flour. Let me check and see if my oil needs to heat up a little more. But I'm going to dust these in flour. Because we're just going to brown each side. And then we're going to take them out and make our gravy. And they'll continue to cook after then. And right here, I'm going to add them to the pan. They should be ready now. Be a little warmer, but it's okay. Just going to brown them up on each side. That's be a couple minutes on each side. And take them off. Don't cook them all the way through because they'll continue to cook, as I said, when I add them into the gravy. Okay, just lightly. I'm going to get all four of these in here. And let them do their thing.
Is that bones?
Is
that bones?
No. See the bone? My grandbaby asking me about the pork chops. I'm going to just let them do their thing.